Have you got some nail polish collecting dust in a cupboard at home? Now you can put it to good use. You'll love watching how these thumbtack eggs are made and love making them even more. If you'd like to give it a go, please find all of the secrets and more detailed instructions on how to paint and place the thumbtacks in the variety of tutorials on my YouTube channel. I'm Mel from Two Feathers Gallery. Please consider subscribing as I include different tips, options and footage to each video. So please watch them through to the end to get the most out of them. And thanks for joining me in seeing how this fuchsia pink fizz thumbtack egg turns out. It's always such an amazing transformation to see the egg turn into a beautiful finished work of art you can display proudly in your home that also makes a perfect gift for Easter, Christmas, egg collectors or dragon lovers. The tips I give you in my videos also show you how to bring them to a professional finish if you want to sell them as well. They're available for sale in my Etsy shop. To get started or see more inspiring videos, please click on the links at the end of this one.